Hey everyone, it's Kevin, founder at beerfest.com, here to give you a quick tutorial on how our tap to redeem technology works. First of all, as folks walk up to your line, have someone in line remind them to pull up their tickets on their phone. They can do this on their text message or by email. Here we're on text, tap the link, and there you have the ticket. So what you want to do is the gray area here where it's not redeemed, have them tap their screen there. And then a warning screen will come up. Are you sure you want to check in? Have them tap redeem, and then they're checked in. For folks with multiple tickets, swipe down, and repeat the process. Tap the not redeemed area, and then the warning screen pops up and hit redeem. One thing to note is every ticket will have the ticket name on it. So general admission, designated driver, VIP, just make sure you apply the right wristbands. If someone shows up with a ticket checked in like this, please pull them aside. You can look up our timestamp on the app to see what time to check in and make a decision to admit or not. I hope this helps, and good luck with your event.